Hey guys, Digital Echo here from Technoco Films, and with me I have Electric Boogaloo from What's Going On Studios, and Timitim from What's Going On Studios. Yeah, that was him. Anyway, and there's me, Digital Echo, and I just wanted to show you guys this map on Reach. It's basically a sniper rifle.
It's up on purple.
What happened?
So you randomly cycling through the codes and noticing the story that it's stopped on purple.
Ha! I control you. There we go. And now we go forge wall over here. There is the sniper rifle. I made the barrel a little too long, but you see over here.
Kill ball.
Yep. Oh, fail. You got the kill ball, which is supposed to be the muzzle flash, and you got the orange light, which is supposed to be a tracer bullet. And you got right here. You got your cocking mechanism, I guess you can call it. And
dang it, keep it picking up block.
yeah, just leave it.
I got this one.
You got it? Alright. Let's unfix that. And you got your scope right, you got your sight right here. You got the barrel part. You got the wire. You got the stock. The trigger guard. Finger guard, I mean. And I try to make this the magazine. I'm not sure where it goes. And if you guys like it, tell me what you think, rate it, you know. They have no idea. I should. These guys have no idea what I'm doing.
Really want to do I didn't do that to you. I'm not.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Fail.
I knew I was going to fail. What was that really supposed to accomplish, Matt?
I don't know.
I was hoping to win, baby.
Get the sniper rifle on the sniper rifle. Inception. Done. 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 Oh, you stopped?
Hello, everyone. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I don't have a
Widow. Oh, and this is Airborne talking.
I don't know what I said.
Alright guys, so tell me what you think of
I
the...
know what you said, Kevin.
Alright guys.
I say.
Alright guys, stop. Alright guys, so tell me what you think of the sniper rifle, and rate this video, like it, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. Yep. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.